So just recently, IOTA Foundation released the new and long-awaited Trinity wallet that is actually user-friendly, it's really fast, and can do snapshots on its own. And as you can see, there is a lot of discussion, a lot of engagement from the users. They actually has been struggling with the Light Wallet client, and like I said, it's long-awaited release. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use securely your Trinity wallet, and I'm going to explain you the basics which this wallet offers. So first of all, there is the official page, trinity.iota.org, which is a really great decision because the users cannot get scammed, so they just type in the right address, trinity.iota.org, and they are just right there, the official page where they can download the wallet. So just so you know, at the moment, there is no free space for iOS users to download this wallet. So IOTA Foundation is currently working on it, but as an Android user, you can actually download the wallet from Google Play or your paper wallet. But don't forget, IOTA, the project itself, is in its early stages of development. Also, this wallet is currently in beta, which means basically it's open to public testing. I have my wallet already installed. The only thing you have to do is press on Google Play. You will be redirected to the page where you kind of sign up for beta testing. By the way, if you're running Android 4 or lower, you won't be able to run this wallet. So make sure you actually update your Android system. I'm in my Trinity wallet, and the first screen that pops up is the language section. I'm going to switch to English. Let's get started. Thank you for downloading Trinity. We will spend the next few minutes setting up your wallet. So generating your seed, this is something that you have to know. The seed is something as a master key, the main key that has access basically to anything, to your tokens, to your wallets you subsequently create. Like this description says, you can use it to access your funds from any wallet on any device. Doesn't matter if you run Trinity on a desktop, which is going to be released in the next couple of weeks. If you are running Lite client, if you are running any type of official wallet from IOTA, you are going to access your funds with your seed. So if you have your seed already created from your previous wallets, you just click on no, I have one. But in this step, we are going to create a new seed. Press the new seed. The random seed is generated. Continue. And in this step, you have three options: to write your seed down manually, add it to your password manager, or print a paper copy, like a paper wallet. And as this kind of histogram or this graphic says, the most secure option is actually write your seed down. So we are going with this step. Your seed has 81 characters. Please read them from left to right. So also in this order, you have to write it down. If you wrote it down, just press on done. I have saved my seed. At the next step, you're going to be asked to re-enter your seed. Yes, I have backupped my seed. I will not copy paste my seed. Continue. So I'm just going to fast forward this step and put my seed in the seed input box. Just a quick tip for you: if you're not sure that you are actually writing 0 or O, the seed of IOTA consists of 26 alphabet characters and the number 9. So there are always O characters. There is no zeros in the seed. And as you saw, the Trinity wallet is really secure. Just a security measurement that your clipboard has been cleared in the case you actually copied the seed. You're going to name your account. I'm going to name it test account. Done. So in this step, we have to choose a new password that has to be at least 12 characters long, and I strongly advise you to use some special characters. So we have to type in like test Trinity 1 2 3 A, capital A, dot test Trinity 1 2 3 A, dot. Done. Your wallet is now set up and ready to use. loading the seed for the first time. Just bear with me, this takes some time. So we are in our wallet, where you can see our balance, the actual price, the average price on the exchanges. We can switch between charts, 1 minute, 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, and also the currency USD, BTC, Ethereum, etc. In the next step, we can actually send IOTA, the recipient address, the amount of IOTA. I'm also sending some message, some plain text. Receiving IOTA. We have to generate actually our new address. And this is one of the things that many users don't understand, that IOTA actually generates new addresses because the structure itself is made, it uses one-time signatures. Winter needs one-time signatures, which means that every time you actually sign the transaction with the same address, the certain amount of private key is going to be revealed. So for that reason, you are actually using a new address that kind of lives within the realm of your seed. For every transaction, you're going to use a new address. And I believe that this feature is actually built in. So this is just for your information. So this is my address where I can actually receive some IOTAs. History of transaction, there are no transactions. And there is a list of currencies like US dollar, Great Britain pound, Australian dollar, Canadian dollars, Swiss franc, etc. Okay guys, so this is pretty much it. In the next video I'm going to show you actually how to send transactions back and forth from your multiple wallets. If you are interested in seeing this content, please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to upload as much content about IOTA as possible in the new features, so stay tuned for the next videos.